There are several tree species that can be kept indoor, but by far the most common and the easiest to care for is the ficus bonsai. The ficus is tolerant to low humidity and can withstand quite a lot, a good choice for beginners. Other tree species that can be kept indoor include the jade tree, the Saccharetia and the Carmona, which is also known as the Fukian tea. Don't water on a routine. Only water when you see that the tree needs it. But if you water, do it thoroughly. If possible, place the tree on a humidity tray filled with water to increase the humidity. To summarize, when you want to grow bonsai indoor, make sure to select the right tree species and look up the guidelines for that exact tree species on our website. In this movie, we will show the progression of this young plant. After pruning, wiring and repotting, this was the result. Carefully study your tree and decide on what shape you intend to create in it. While it is easy to prune branches, it can be very hard to make them grow back. Once you have decided which branches should be removed, prune these, slowly working your way up the tree. Start with freeing up the trunk a bit. When pruning larger branches, you need a concave cutter. This cutter leaves behind a hollow wound that heals much better. After pruning the larger branches, focus on smaller branches, until you are satisfied with the result. Next, we wire the branches, starting with the larger ones. Carefully apply wire around the branches at an angle of about 45 degrees. Try to wire 2 branches of the same thickness with one wire. As a rule of thumb, apply wire about 1/3 the thickness of the branch. When you are done wiring the larger branches, work your way towards the smaller ones. Finish wiring the entire tree before you start positioning and bending the branch. Started, we prepare the bonsai pot. Place 2 wires that can be used later on to attach the tree firmly to the pot. We also cover the watering holes by attaching a plastic mesh. When the pot is ready, we prepare the soil mix. Usually a starter kit comes with pre-mixed bonsai soil, but if not, check our website for more information. The plant from its plastic container and get rid of any loose soil. We also want to reveal the trunk a bit. Carefully unravel the roots using a root hook. To make the tree fit in the pot, you will need to prune away roots. You can prune up to about 1/3 of the total root mass. Now, put some soil in the pot. The tree is now ready to be placed in the pot. But first, decide on what the front of the tree should be. Place the tree just off the center and attach it carefully with the wires that were attached in the pot earlier. Cover the roots with soil, and by using chopsticks we make sure that the entire root mass is filled with soil. When we're done, we water the tree.